Yo!
Yo, Josh, I heard you were talking shit, buddy.
What? What do you mean?
I saw the editing breakdown. I saw it.
This is a complete joke. What was the point of this stupid caption? I literally feel like I am floating through space, but downward towards hell.
Oh, did you like it?
I mean, honestly, you made some good points, so.
Okay, so what you mad for it?
Look, I like the way you think, dude, and I need you to join my team.
Eric, I love you, but I don't have time for this. I'm a busy man, okay? I've got 2 clients. I got a YouTube channel. I got a business. I'm trying to train editors to become the best in the world so that maybe one day they'll get picked up by a freaking high-paying client.
I'm paying client.
I mean, it's not just about the money, man. No editor wants to work with a client that doesn't give a crap about him, works him to death, and then the editor turns into some no-life loser.
Bro, did you forget the voice message I sent you the other day? I'm building the greatest editing culture of all of YouTube. That is my goal. I know how hard these guys have it, and I've burned out multiple teams, and I've seen what's working, what's not. So, will you just give me a chance? Please.
Look, I'm sorry, man. I said I'm busy. I got a business. I've got clients. I've got a team of editors and students that I'm training to be the best in the world.
Wait, why can't I just hire them?
Guys, right now, Airrack, one of the biggest YouTubers on the planet with over 16 million subscribers, is offering a $100,000 editing job through his editing competition. A lot of Airrack's submissions are missing the mark. They're failing to make him feel something, and the editors are struggling to build a story out of nothing without being told exactly what to do. Elite clients hate always having to tell their editors exactly what to do. They want to see innovation. But if you're in the academy, you already know how to do that. And if you're inside the academy and submit a trial edit, I can personally move your application to the top of the pile and text your name directly to Eric. While others are desperately hoping to get noticed, you're gonna have me in your corner vouching for you. Our students are landing high-paying clients, not just because they edit well, but because they understand the psychology behind why their edits work. This isn't some throwaway course. It's actually your unfair advantage. All right, here's the mission. Step 1, download the footage. You're editing the first scene of a video that was never released on Airrack's channel. Your job? Hook us immediately. Step 2, tell a better story than 99% of editors. Use your own voice, literally. The voiceover is you pretending to be Airrack. How cool is that? Step 3, show off your editing skills like your life depends on it. Risers, stupid memes, motion graphics, go absolutely nuts. Step 4, submit your final edit. Guys, this quite literally is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to work with one of the fastest growing creators on YouTube, with a 6-figure salary on the line. So So if you're serious about this competition and your editing future, join the Elite Editor Academy, learn what actually works, and go win that gosh darn $100,000 editing job. But here's the thing, you're not gonna win if you don't know what mistakes to avoid, which is why I'm about to break down the worst edited Airrack video I've ever seen. Viewers said it was nausea-inducing and unwatchable, and you can watch that video here.